Let's learn how to sort data based on our requirement. Let's work with this example. Let's look at the first column. I will sort this column alphabetically without changing the respective values in the other columns. If I sort alphabetically, bakery must come at the first along with the respective values desserts and breads in the second column. Now to sort the first column, click on the header, click on Home, click on Sort and Filter, click on Sort A to Z. You can see the data in the first column has been sorted alphabetically and values for the respective data are same in other columns. Let's practice it another way where I will sort the last column numbers from largest to smallest numbers. If we do that, then meat chicken has the largest value, which will come at the very beginning. So click on any cell in the column containing the numbers, click on Home, click on Sort and Filter, click on Sort Largest to Smallest. You can see the data in this column has been sorted largest to smallest and values for respective data are same in other columns. You can also do custom sort here. For that, click anywhere on the data, click on Home, click on Sort and Filter, click on Custom Sort. Now choose which column needs to be sorted, choose on what sorting needs to be done. It can be values, cell color, etc. Choose the order in which sorting will be done, click on OK. There are other ways too. Let's sort these yellow colored cells here, putting these on top first. Click on any of the yellow colored cells, right click, click on Sort. Here different order for sort is available. Click on Put selected cell color on top. You can see yellow colored cells are now at the top. You can also click on this filter icon in the headers, which is also giving different sort orders to choose. Let's sort date here. Click on this filter icon in the headers, which is giving different sort orders to choose. Let's sort the dates from newest to oldest. You can see dates sorted from newest to oldest. Now how this filter has come here. To add filter, click anywhere on the data, click on Home, click on Sort and Filter, click on Filter. Filter buttons have appeared on the headers. Now you may filter the data based on requirements. For example, if I want to filter the data only for bakery from department column, I can click on Filter button of department heading, clear ticks from all items and tick only for bakery. Click on OK. It's showing data available only for bakery. Now to clear filter, click on Filter button again, click on Clear Filter from department. Filter option can be also helpful as an easy alternative of some formula. For example, here for the header hotel, if I want to know expenses which are only above average, without using formula to calculate average, I can simply click on Filter button, click on Number Filters. You can already see different filter option available for which you may need formula otherwise, but with this option, Excel will calculate for you and filter accordingly. Here we need numbers above average only. So click on that. Excel has calculated the average amount and showing me the rows with amounts greater than that average. Now let's add second filter. In the column for food expense, I want expenses greater than 25. Click on Filter, click on Number Filters, click on Greater Than, type 25, click on OK. It's showing amount greater than 25 only. Remember, your data is not lost. Once you clear filter, it will show all data again.